Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction move. And today, guys, here with Khago. Song called Dear Mama. Khago drop a mama song. Is there any twists and turns in it? I don't know. Let's go. Also, big up Khago for passing through on my show that started yesterday, the Real Reasoning podcast. So big up yourself, my G. I can jump to the one here. Let's go.
Nah, dear mama. Nah, dear dear mommy. Dear mama. Mama, me you got you a thing and hunger you can save me. You can save me.
So we know say him not good with him mother from day one. So you don't know more time you have some family member or some stranger will grow you up or you take for your mother also in certain circumstances. And I think this is just a genuine mother song for all the mothers them out there we can relate, or the youth them can relate to their mother. So I think this is one of those songs. I don't know, let's go.
What thing and hunger you can save me. You can save me. Yes, when you go down by your knees to pray, make sure you say a word for me. Say your birthday. Your friends them say me more like your mama, more than daddy.
Huh? So Khago actually sing to mommy? Big up yourself.
Knees to pray, make sure you say a word for me. Say your birthday. Your friends them say me more like your mama, more than daddy. All of your dirty attitude them me have it.
Khago, I say yo, listen to me. All of your dirty attitude and mama me have it. Remember say you give birth to me. So anything you do are you been a do, me have some of your trait them inside of me. Wagwan.
Daddy, by your knees to pray, make sure you say a word for me. Say your birthday. Your friends them say me more like your mama, more than daddy. All of your dirty attitude them me have it. Me never send a person grab it. Mama me work so hard that them say I want me take that from my mama.
Yo, so he must say yo, no matter what the struggling face, no matter what the hard life him been through, no matter how him upbringing was, sleeping on all those people floor, he never see a purse and try grab it. He's never been a thief. He's never been that person to go out and take people things that doesn't belong to him. So with all that said, I make you know, say, mommy, listen to me. Me keep my head up in all of this. You know?
Friends them say me more like your mama, more than daddy. All of your dirty attitude them me have it. Me never send a person grab it. Mama me work so hard that them say I want me take that from my mama. Now make we shut up eyes and not talk. Mama me walk out you want feel a bit coming from your heart. Your son could have never.
Yo, the man say, yo, mommy, I want hug and feel a bit coming from your heart. I want to get close to you. I want to get a hug. You know, as a mother. So, these are stuff Khago is yearning for, is longing for, never had these probably. So, don't take mommy for granted. When you have a good mother, treat mommy good. You know? Yeah.
That from my mama, now make we shut up eyes and not talk. Mama me walk out you want feel a bit coming from your heart. Your son could have never love his mama. Mama me say me love you more than we done grow. I gotta say my dear mama, I miss you a lot. Yeah, I wanna say I'm sorry, and that makes me alive.
So I think the last argument me hear about mama is that mama is in hospital in America, and Khago and brother see I have some must see a Khago and this up Khago and thing. So if mom is in hospital for a good while now, apparently. So if you can make it figure see her before she take her last breath, my G, it's worth doing that. Maybe that will give you some closure on certain things. Maybe you can ask her a certain question. If she's able to talk also, you can ask her a certain question where you need answer to about your father, obviously. So if you can make it figure see her, bro, that would be lighter on your heart. You know what I mean? Going forward, you know. At least you know, say, yo, a chapter there is closed. You got some answers that you really wanted from you was a little boy growing up, you know. Yeah, so if you can make it, if you can make it, go see her, Khago, make it, man.
Whoa, dear mama, I miss you a lot. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Even my sister Carrie and I say me look like you. I wish all Zara could I get to know you.
That are the part. No, that is the part now. So before him say him sister Carrie, I say, yo, Khago, you know, say you look like mommy do. Dead some for mommy, you know. You know. And him say, him wish him son Zara could have get to know you. You know? So him say, yo, Zara, I wish me could have get to know you. As mommy passed away? As mommy passed away? Because like I said earlier on, she was sick in the hospital. Khago, has she passed away? I don't know. I'm just looking at the cover art with the crying faces and the you know the teardrops and stuff on the cover art. Is she passed away?
Yo, I wish all Zara could I get to know you. An antigen cancer me for come look for you. Me say me not do it. She say me stubborn like that.
Khago, follow antigen. Just follow antigen, brother. Please, if you can, go look for mommy. Mentioned this earlier on, and I never listened to the song. I mentioned it earlier on. Khago, go look for mommy. Follow antigen, brother. Don't be stubborn. Just go look for it. Just go look. Even though that is something that she would do because she's stubborn and you stubborn. That's why the two not get on because the two is just alike. You know? So if you can go make it to look for her, G, go look for her, man.
Zara could I get to know you. An antigen cancer me for come look for you. Me say me not do it. She say me stubborn like that. You clean out, how dare you? People say me take that from you, mama. What them say you got fearing and you too caring. Mommy got me blessed with a curse, mama. Don't you wish you could have your 8 children in a one room with you, mommy, and I take a picture, mommy.
Wish you could have your children with you in a one room. Your 8 children with you in a one room and take a picture. These are some of the things that we take for granted, like proper take for granted. Like last month was my grandmother's 80th birthday, and the whole of it was around to see turn 80, and we take some nice group picture with her and things. I mean, no say, yo, you see me? So we kind of, I never can see it, but see that that's grandma in the middle sitting down there. So these are some of the pictures and some of the memories that we will have, because we know say only thing lasts forever is salvation. So life I go, life I go cut. You see me? So when that day comes, at least whoever left behind have pictures like these. We say, yo, you see me? So Khago say, yeah, so yo, I wish the whole away as your kids and the 8 away could have picture. Have a picture like a group picture, a family picture, you know, where them never get before in them life. So that would be good also.
Curse the mama, don't you wish you could have your 8 children in a one room with you, mommy, and I take a picture. Mommy, me would I love to see me and live good go with all of my brothers and sisters.
Even I like for see himself I live good. So with all them brothers and sisters. So reach out. Nothing beat a child, brother. Reach out if I saw, brother. Although some of them might say, yo, me no want nothing to do with the because of what you do. It no matter. Family are family, Dan. You see me? Family are family. Kerry, if you listen, Khago sister. Khago brother too. Family are family, man. And reach out, man.
Me can live good go with all of my brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
Dear mama, I miss you a lot. I wanna say I'm sorry, and that makes me alive. Yeah, whoa, yeah, dear mama, I miss you a lot. I'm sorry, mama, that makes me alive. I'm sorry.
So this is another great one from Khago, a touching one, an emotional one, and um, Khago, you know, you say you're stubborn like your mother. So the greatest thing is you know how you steer, and you know your wisdom when you have brother. You see me? With that being said, mama is just like you. So be the bigger person then. Sometimes we as kids have to be the bigger person and take a step in a cause. We have to remember say, yes, everybody know wrong from right, but also everybody know say yo, that generation there is a bit darker than this a generation, and then this a generation a bit darker than the next generation. So if you can do the right, brother, do the right, that will rest easy on your soul. You see me? That will rest easy on your soul. So um this era right now, like for the past couple of months, your healing has started, bro. Your healing has started where um you get some of the things off of your chest with acting. Now you're focused now upon the family and the mama, and but they have to support your song them, brother. They have to do the reaction them to your song, bro. Cause you're a great artist and the people them need to see you, the people them need to hear you more. You know? So, brother, I'm glad to the people I'm listening to you again, G. You see me? This bad. So anybody who lose mommy already, condolences. Just know say yo, the life, you know. But the one that may still have mommy, just know say yo, if you and your parents them not good, try and reach out, try and make that effort there. Because only salvation lasts forever, like me say. You know? So yeah. Nice song, Khago. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, my fam. You see me? Yeah. So I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoy that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you are new, and I will see you in the next one. Yeah. Yeah.